Kevin Korir from Kenya, Nakuru County to be specific, having graduated from Moi University in Kenya last year, 21st of December 2023, and I began my data science course in Sankiana Service Consultancy on 18th of November 2023, which will be running to 24th of March 2024. And I want to thank everyone and thank the entire management for the 90% scholarship offer they had awarded me. And currently at Abaswini, that our tutor has been so good and instrumental in terms of knowledge relaying and in terms of showing and shedding the light to the places we knew not in regards to data science, neural network, deep learning, and AI in general. And in terms of recommendation, I recommend everyone because uh, uh, Sankiana Service Consultancy has been so good in terms of teaching data science. And I believe even as we go forward, Sankiana Service Consultancy will be um, the will be a place to seek knowledge regarding data science. And I recommend everyone, and I will go even an extra mile to recommend many and many people. Thank you for your time.